Okay, so while we listened to Jimin's Face album, I thought I would craft a little bit. So I don't think I've done like a dedicated video on this, but basically I started a sticker book collection. I used to do that back in the day. It was, I think, mostly like Hello Kitty and Princess, but this time around I'm doing BTS related. So let me show you what I have so far. I have been obsessed with the BTS Island game. Let me know you're playing so we could follow each other on there. I could be your friend, send you hearts if you need life, if you need time, so I could send you that. But yeah, so I am obsessed with this little game that they co-created. I think it's so freaking cute, but I do find like the packs kind of expensive, and I can't afford it at this time. So in some way I'm kind of collecting them through stickers. So these are the ones that I made. And this is how my collection is looking so far. I am not an expert though. I want to say I'm not an expert on sticker making. I just saw a few YouTube video tutorials, and so I'm just, you know, collecting all of them that come out in the game. And if I find something that's really unique, I'll like buy and support the creator. For example, this store, super cute, I'll tag it down below. They made, in this little style of the BTS Island game, the members' portfolio outfits. So right now she has Jimin, JK, and V's outfits, like Empire, JK, so adorable. So yeah, this is from hers as well. This one as well. This is a permission to dance Jin when he's wearing the little pose. It's super cute. And then Suga, this is from the Busan Yet to Come concert, the one that he's wearing the shirt of the earth. So yeah, to stay again budget friendly, I'll make some that are like in the game, and then anything that's unique I'll like shop on Etsy and support other creators. But yeah, so this is my little collection so far, and we're gonna make a few more because they added a couple more outfits on the game. And then also I do get freebies, so I have space to put them somewhere now. So yeah, this one I purchased as well. Like, I think it's super cute, RJ and the astronaut. I'll tag the store as well down below. I'll link it down below. I got this one as a freebie, so you know, I have space now too. And so yeah, that was a freebie. And yeah, so this is what I have so far, but let me quickly show you the stickers that we're going to be working on today. I printed them already, the ones that I want to add to my collection. These are already in the game, so I just want to go there on there. Except this one, I kind of made this one, but yeah, the rest you could get them on their Twitter account. There's images on there, and I removed the background and everything and printed them out. So yeah, the mic drop ones are so cute though. I'm telling you, they're really cute. I love the game too, really fun to play. And so yeah, I used this brand of paper. Again, it is anti-jam friendly, I guess. Like, yeah, it doesn't get stuck in the printer. So yeah, and then I'm using this holographic pack that I found on Amazon. Both of them were from Amazon. So yeah, it comes, I think, with 4 different holographic styles or little images. So let me show you. So this one is just a regular holographic. This one has like a butterfly print on it. Hold on, let's see. Can you see the butterflies? Like right there, the little butterfly. Oh, again, once I cut them out, I'll show you guys a better view of this. I think there's one that has like little star. This one has like this little like star effect that I think is really cute. Let's see. I know there was another one. I think it was like, oh, I think it was the hearts, right? Because that one's a butterfly, and I add up the hearts. Okay, so I have this chunkier like graphic design, and then oh, here's the heart, and this one's the heart effect one. Okay, so right now I'm just quickly cutting out some of the ones that I want with certain holographic designs. For example, this one with Jen, I kind of want this one with a little star effect. I think that would be really cute. Let's see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use Jimin and then use this little butterfly effect one on here. So yeah, I have again my little squishy thing. And again, just because I'm crafting right now, I'm gonna cut everything by hand. But obviously you can take these and cut them in your machine if you have like a Cricut. But like I said, today's just a crafting day listening to Jimin's album. So, and here it is. Again, I'll like take you guys to the other side of my room so I could kind of show you guys how cool this looks with the holographic sheet on top. Let's see what else. Okay, so I wanted to use I wanted Jen with this one, so I'm gonna quickly hold on. And also what I like about these ones, you can cut. They have like the line here in the back, so you could cut. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm not a sticker expert. This is how how I do it, just because it's easier for me to print everything out in one sheet, just because I think this is a little bit more expensive, like the sticker sheet paper. And then I go kind of back and forth in small sections, kind of deciding what holographic print I want on each image. So yeah, this is like why I'm doing it. Obviously, it'll be easier if we just took the holographic sheet and did it in one page, but like I am mixing different themes of the members' outfits. This works for me. But yeah, let me know how you're feeling with Jimin's album. What's your favorite song from the whole thing? I'm obsessed with like crazy. Such a yeah, like very catchy song. Him dancing it, amazing. He's such a great dancer. Okay, so yeah, this is how they turned out. You could obviously see the holographic a lot better, but yeah, let me show you the rest. Now let's stick them into my book. I honestly don't know though, like how to decorate the front of the binder, so let me know. I was kind of thinking maybe doing like the BTS logo with flowers. I don't know yet, but if you have any ideas, let me know. So let's start off with, I guess, the individual ones. Okay, so this one's J-Hope. So yeah, what's cool about this sheet of paper, it's sticker paper, so it's the same material as the backing on here. So you know, you could stick it on here and say that you don't want it. You can peel it off and stick it in another place. Again, it's pretty cool. It's a non-permanent way on collecting your stickers. So yeah, I got this on Amazon as well. The binder and then the little sheets and the little tablet thing. Let's see. Jimin. We have these ones. So you know what? I love the song that he did with you. And I feel like people don't talk about this one. I love how he sounds in this song. Plus, it's such a beautiful song. So, here you go. Never and never. Okay, so yeah, we're pretty much done for today. Again, I love my collection. I am placing another order for some stickers, and so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm off to bed, and yeah, good night, guys.